In this video tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of installing and utilizing Pinokio Browser, which essentially acts as a virtual computer within your system. First things first, rest assured, it's completely safe to use and won't require any alterations to your PC, whether you're using Windows, Mac, or Linux. To get started, simply navigate to the Download button on the landing page and select your operating system Windows, M1, M2 Mac, Intel Mac, or Linux. Once you've chosen your option, proceed with the download. Once the download is complete, unzip the downloaded file and locate the .exe installer file. Run the installer file and follow the on-screen instructions. You may encounter a Windows warning during installation, but simply proceed with the installation process. After installation, you'll be greeted with the Pinokio Browser interface. You can customize settings such as the installation location and theme preferences. Once you've configured your preferences, save the settings and allow a few minutes for the update to complete. Now that Pinokio Browser is installed, you can explore its features and applications. For example, you can try out various applications like Remix AI or Stable Diffusion webui. Simply navigate to the desired application, click on Download, and follow any additional prompts. Within Pinokio Browser, you can easily manage applications, folders, and extensions. You can also access configuration options to customize your experience further, including settings for Python, GPU, and APIs. If you encounter any issues or need assistance, Pinokio Browser offers a convenient Discover feature where you can find additional resources and troubleshooting tips. That's it! You've successfully installed Pinokio Browser and learned how to utilize its features and applications. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials. Goodbye for now, and happy browsing with Pinokio.